We are a group company of IDEC and focus on integration. We provide automation systems in factories. Along with the establishment of the new plant, we have been studying the use of IoT and robot automation to improve productivity. We decided to install MiR100 to save manpower in the transportation of goods within the factory. We introduced the MiR100 in April of 2021. The main reason we chose MiR was because of its customizability and versatility. Racks, lifts, conveyors, etc. can be attached to the top module and customized to make it very easy to use. Since production is carried out on each floor of the 3-story factory, it is necessary to use elevators to transport goods to each floor. So we created a control panel for the elevators, which automatically links the MiR100 to the elevators and uses the MiR100 to transport the products to each floor. I thought it was great that the mapping was done so that the MiR100 could find an empty spot on their own and store it there automatically. Production sites change their layouts frequently, but the mapping accuracy is so high that mapping changes can be made very easily. The screen settings can be freely decided by us, so that even first-time users can easily operate the system. By robotizing the transportation work that used to be done by people, we have been able to save the labor of one person. Productivity has been improved by having that person perform other tasks. We are also aiming to save manpower in the product handling process. In the future, we are considering installing multiple MiR robots to further improve productivity.